Have you ever wondered whether you're truly prepared for the golden years of retirement? It's a question that keeps many awake at night, particularly those belonging to Generation X. It's a generation caught in between the baby boomers, who reaped the benefits of post-war economic growth, and the millennials, who are reshaping the world with their technological prowess. But what about Gen Xers? Where do they stand in the retirement readiness spectrum? Many Gen Xers are not as ready for retirement as they should be. This generation, born between the mid-1960s and the early 1980s, faces unique challenges. They entered the workforce during economic recessions, skyrocketing housing prices, and the shift from secure pensions to risky 401k plans. These factors combined have made it harder for Gen Xers to build a nest egg for retirement. But it's not all doom and gloom. With the right strategies, it's possible to turn the tide and prepare for a comfortable retirement. The first step is acknowledging the problem, and that's exactly what we're doing today. Now, let's talk solutions. One of the best ways to prepare for retirement is to start saving more and spending less. This might seem like a tall order, but even small changes can make a big difference over time. Think about where your money is going and consider if there are areas where you can cut back. Another strategy is to take advantage of employer-sponsored retirement plans, such as the 401k. If your employer offers matching contributions, make sure you're contributing enough to get the full match. It's essentially free money that can significantly boost your retirement savings. Investing wisely is another key component of retirement readiness. Diversify your investments to spread risk and potentially increase returns. Don't be afraid to seek advice from a financial advisor if you're unsure about where to invest. But what if you're already in your 50s or 60s and feel like it's too late to start saving? Remember, it's never too late to make a difference. Consider working a few more years to boost your Social Security benefits. Every additional year you work adds more to your retirement fund. In conclusion, being a Gen Xer and not ready for retirement isn't a life sentence. There are steps you can take to improve your financial future. Start saving more, spending less, and investing wisely. Take advantage of employer-sponsored retirement plans and consider working a little longer if necessary. Remember, your golden years should be a time of relaxation and enjoyment, not financial stress. It's time to take action and start planning for your retirement. Because a secure retirement isn't just a dream, it's a goal that's within your reach.